Hey, how'd you get in on that test?
I just learned about these school life hacks. You should go check them out. They really do help.
No way! I'll definitely have to check those out.
Hey y'all, we're back here at School Up. Everything you need to know, everything about school right here. We're going to do some life hacks to help improve your grade, to get you less stressed out, to help you have fun at school. Plus, it's all about the grades, right? I'll be filming this with Sophie.
Works like a charm.
Ever forget the page you were in the book? Well, next time, get a paper clip, put it on the page, and it's your own at-home bookmark. This isn't due till Friday. Let me just do math instead. Oh, that's not even straight. Ever needed a ruler at a certain time? Well, don't always need a ruler. You can get anything with a straight edge. Side. This index card. Now, notes are separated, neat, and don't need to carry a ruler all the time.
Hey, look what grade I got on my test, Sophie.
Wow, an A? See, I told you those life hacks would help.
Everyone needs to look at those life hacks because they really do help.
Hey y'all, hope y'all liked that video. Please smash that like button and then click the notification bell and subscribe and make sure you always stay schooled up.
Now go.
And see if you can make these life hacks.
They're very helpful and effective.